Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing well as well here. Thank you so much to be patient with me. I really appreciate you guys. I know it has been a while since I did the last video. It is because I'm working too much. That's why I didn't get enough time to do unboxing of my Maximara Teddy coat. But before I jump into that, before I jump into video, I just want to welcome the new subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you guys. Happy New Year, happy January, happy. Yeah, I bought this coat last year, but I wore it yesterday and I returned it into the box. I tried to, to do it original way. So bear with me, I'm sorry, but the real unboxing is on TikTok and YouTube. If you Instagram. If you don't follow me on my TikTok, the new TikTok that I've just got it now, yeah, make sure I will leave in the screen my name of my TikTok and Instagram as well. Then go there, support by like and share the video. Anyway, enough, not quite a lot. Enough to be able to purchase this coat because it's extremely expensive, and I felt so good. I felt so proud of myself, like I did it without credit, without borrowing, I just saved, I just disciplined myself. And that power and that spirit, it's going to stay in 2023. I will save up for my Birkin. Yes, I will save up for my Birkin. So I end up paying 2003, I think. Okay, 2,420 minus 50 Swiss francs. How much is that? I paid 370. So the 50, I was given a gift with the card. So I paid 2,370 Swiss francs. I saved 50. So here it is. Here she is in a big box. I've removed the ribbon. Here she comes out. And you cannot see me. Ooh. Yeah guys, it is what it is for this video. The box is too big and it just flip it down and the teddy came into my hands. Anyway, she is here. She's very warm, I can tell you guys. She's really warm, really big. Oh, I just love this girl. She's just amazing. As you can see, it says Maximara there, made in Italy. So this one is made in Italy, and anything is made in Italy, the quality is top 10 or even top 20, okay? Love it so much. I will talk about this girl more into details in another video because now everybody's here. It's a mess and I cannot even concentrate. As you can see, my concentration is gone. Anyway, she comes with hanger. It says Maxi Mara. She comes with this. If you want to travel with her, you can just put her in, and this is actually new. It has MAR Big X Maxi Mara logo everywhere. It comes with this, and once you cut this from your coat, it means keep it. Keep her with you. So yeah, if you don't want to keep the coat, you should not cut this tag. Once you cut the tag, they cannot accept it, because remember, Maxi Mara is sold everywhere. So if you cut this and take it back, they will not believe you bought from them. It doesn't matter, you show them the receipt, evidence and anything, they don't just believe it. Maybe they will think you changed with someone, you know, they will not just take it back. So now this Maxi Mara is official mine. Here is the tag, and I have extra button. It is a camel for composed by a very soft silk knitted base manufactured with a particular techniques and with pure camel wool. So it's a camel wool, it's a pure camel wool. Okay, the result is a soft and wrapping effect like a fur. Wow, yeah. Oh, it feels like fur. Fur is not fur, so don't come for me. The button extra, and I will keep it safe so that I will use it in the future if I ever lose. But I don't think if I will lose, because I don't close this coat. I wear it open. I will show you how, you know, to rock this coat. So I wore it yesterday, and it was really warm. It has silk. Let me open the buttons. You can see this silk. Oh, it feels really good. I paid for quality, not only the brand for me. For some people, you just pay for the brand. Go buy. So thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share, hit that notification button. Follow me on my TikTok, where I will do a lot of outfit with this.
The drip, they gon' pay the VIP to get a pic with me. I'm a star, brand new keys to car. I'm the boss and the king and the czar. Got them so high, so addicted, telling me I'm the only queen of his heart. Guess I let you co-star.